Okay. Allie's gonna get a penny out of the fountain. Go, Allie. Alright, hold on. Where is it?
Right there.
Right there, people. Right there.
I can't. How would you do this?
Hurry, go.
Okay, oh my gosh.
Just go.
I can't read.
Lean. Hurry, Allie, to record. Hurry.
Huh?
Hurry.
What am I doing?
Just go. Nobody can care.
I can't.
The car.
I can't reach it. Where else can I get it?
Yes, you can. I can reach. Alright, right here. Show us it. Oh, she got it. Woo! She got it, people.
I'm keeping this baby. Memories. Okay, Lexi, your turn.
Help me find one. Okay. Get it.
Your hand will get wet. Okay, that's fine. What?
That guy can see me. Let's go to the side.
She's scared. Oh, there's one shiny.
Oh, it's all the way where I can reach across. Yeah. Here it is. Alright, people. Ready? Ready? My hand. My hand. I'm gonna get it. Memories.
Memories. I want to get another one. Lexi, I'm going to get another one.
Now my arm's like all wet, man.
Okay, are you going to record this? I'm going to get another one.
That guy can probably see us. Pennies rock. Here, put
That was mine. Coldness. I'm coldness.
Woo!
I've got 3.
We got the pennies.
And meow meow up a tree.
Yeah. All right, give me a beat, Allie. Give me a beat, Allie.
I'm Alex.
Okay. Meow meow up a tree, bark bark. In the house, moo moo. In the field, oink oink. In the mud, all to do, up a tree. Freaky bird.